Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you our IP-9000 series. This is our 4K 1GB AV over IP solution. So 4K 60Hz, including Dolby Vision and HDR are supported. The models in this series are the IP-9000 TX transmitter, IP-9000 RX receiver, and the IPCS-9000 system controller. These are also Dante ready, so what that means is that you can license them in Dante controller and make the signals from them available as Dante streams. The CS9000's interface is available on the network, so you can access that via a computer or a tablet device. You can also connect it directly to a touchscreen. We've set one up here in our AV Academy, so I'm going to take you for a closer look. So we're here at the touchscreen now. Once you've plugged your devices into the configured switch, your transmitters will appear on the left, your receivers on the right, and you've got the live video thumbnails. What you do at that point, you can go in and assign channels and names to your devices so you know what's what. You don't actually need to do any IP addressing, that's done automatically. So once you've got them set up to perform a routing, it's as simple as taking the source and dragging it over to the screen that you want to switch. That's the most basic use you can do, but I'm going to show you some of the more advanced features that are going to provide you with a lot of convenience and speed up things when you're on site. The first of which is groups. So this allows you to change source on a group of TVs, so you define what's in that group. So whether it's 2 or 100 TVs, you can change them with one drag and drop action. So we've got 2 screens here in this area we call back right. So I'm going to change them. And you'll see they both change. You can also set up macros. That's this tab here. So this allows you to set up a lot of predefined actions that you want to do and then trigger them via one button. So if you've got a client who wants to have their whole site set up in a certain way at the touch of the button and initialize it to their preferred state, you would use something like macros to do that. There is also a time-based scheduler, so you can trigger the macros you've set up based on a preferred schedule. You've also got user management, and this will allow you to choose set up users, and then you can assign transmitters and receivers to certain users, so not everyone will have access to everything if you don't want it that way. There's also the ability, without a video wall processor, to set up video walls. So you can create a video wall out of your displays, and then with a touch of a button you can switch back to single screen mode. I've set up a couple of macros to show you that. So we go over here, the macro buttons, so we go into video wall mode. You see the screen stretch out on the 2 screens, and then we will go back to single screen mode. These devices also support USB extensions, so you can connect typical devices like a mouse or keyboard, but also more complex devices like conference bars and USB cameras are supported. So as you can see, with just 3 products, you can build a highly flexible and scalable system, and you can customize it to suit a wide range of applications in the commercial, hospitality or retail sectors. It's also still suitable for using in your conventional residential application. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit www.cypeurope.com.